What's good? What's good? Kingsley Joshua Trey Lord himself come to you live. Gonna do a little market overview on this week and see where we at. So basically, I trade about 9 different pairs nowadays, right? Especially with this strategy. My other strategies, I trade uh, less pairs, but 9 different pairs that I'll be going over. They'll try to bang it out in this one video. So I'm about to go a little quick, but we're going to do a full top-down analysis and see what I'm looking to do on each and every single one of these pairs. If I'm looking to trade them or leave them alone. All right. So we're going to start here with Euro USD. We're going to start on the monthly. And from the monthly, I see we've got this high. We broke structure there. So we crumbled all the way down to this low. And then we have this structure high over here. I'll mark that up right there. And I'll make this pink, all right, for the monthly. So I'll do there. So that's the monthly structure. It is bearish. So we got that going. If I go to the weekly right now, as I can see, is from this low. We got this down structure movement right here that I have fibbed up. I'll make this let's make that purple or there and there. So that's the structure that we at right now. And so we got down structure on the monthly and down structure on the weekly. So that's 2 matching pairs together. Daily, as I can see here, let me just take that out. Daily, we are currently up structure. All right, up structure. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. And structure low. It's right here. I'll make this orange for daily. All right. And then of course we got this high right here. So that's what's going on in the daily. So we have down for the month, down for the week, but up for the day on the daily chart. And 4 hour, as you can see, we're getting higher and higher, and basically at this 4 hour high. So the 4 hour and daily is matching together with the up structure movement. And the weekly and monthly is matching together with the. So when I have 4 of these pairs, like the monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour, I at least need 3 of them to agree out of these 4 right here. And then on the 1 hour, that's when we go into shooter mode and we start smacking on these trades in that direction, right? So right now on Euro USD, we're just looking to go higher, higher, higher up. Going against doing a pullback on the weekly structure, probably to this 200, which is 1.10246. It's looking the markets could possibly head there. So you can really look for up structure movement on Euro USD, or just leave it alone until they start, one of these pairs start, until you get like three of them agreeing with each other. So that's another thing is like you can leave this pair alone, really. Um, so if I go back to Euro USD, I say we're looking for upstructure movement, and other than that, we're just leaving that alone. USD CAD next up. See on the monthly, I already did the markup a little bit. So monthly, I got up structure, which is that point A, point B, and we're still in that up structure phase. So we got that, and we got weekly is up structure, and we got daily's down structure, right? So weekly and monthly is agreeing, and daily's disagreeing, and 4 hour structure is disagreeing with the daily. So it's another mismatch. We got two mismatch out of the four. So yeah, you can wait. Basically, what we're doing here on the 1 hour, it's just waiting for it to break structure on the 1 hour and possibly head down further to do a continuation on this 4 hour structure. That's what we can be looking to do. Um, but yeah, that's what's going on in CAD. Other than that, you just leave it alone if you're not looking for down structure movement. I wouldn't take any buys. Uh, AUD USD. This is actually a trade that I'm currently in right now, and I got the money sign there because we got a nice confirmation, and I'll break that down too. So let me wipe this out. Let me wipe that out. Wipe this out. All right. So if you go to AUD USD, we broke structure. We had this low. We had a break of structure, and we're basically down structure on the weekly. This is the point A. This is the point B on the monthly. Then we also got what's going on the weekly. We broke structure here. Did continuation down. So see on the weekly, we got up structure movement because this is basically the point A, point B scenario. We're hopping off that 88.6 level retracement. So this is the week. Day chart. You already know what's going on the day chart. Day chart. From this high, we broke structure over here and then crumbled all the way down to this low. Then we broke structure here. And we're still currently up structure on the week right here, point A, point B. I mean, on the day chart. So we got weekly. We got weekly up, monthly down, weekly up. The daily's up, and the 4 hours up. So that's three. So we got the week, day, and 4 hour matching for the upside structure, and we're looking for upside structure plays. So I'll wait for a break of structure on the 1 hour, which we got. We had to pull back, which we entered, and now we're in profit right now, currently on that. So that's Euro USD. I mean AUD USD. Excuse me, Australian dollar versus US dollar. Um, and yeah, waiting for that TP1 to get hit so we can move our SL into profit. All right. So that's that on AUD USD. GBP USD. This is a trade that I'm not actually currently in. I just marked it up. Again, on the monthly, starting back on the month, we broke structure. We crumbled all the way down to this low. And from that low, we have that point right there. And this right here, this high. So that's what's going on in the month. In the week, I can see what's already going on in the week. We had this in the week. Boom, boom, boom. So monthly is down, weekly is down. Right? And what I can see here on the daily, we did break structure. This is the last two confirmation. Yeah, we broke structure here. And now we're upside on the daily. Boom. So all right. So weekly's down, monthly's down. Daily is up, and 4 hours up too as well. And we're basically, this is like a 4 hour play right here to the upside. See if you can get at least TP1, but this is a trade I'm not wasn't really interested in because we had like a 100. It required a 116 pip stop loss, and I'm not with it. So I'm just marked it up and let it chill out and wait. But also, another factor you want to wait because we got daily and the 4 hour agreeing, but the monthly and the weekly is not agreeing. So it's like a wait pair. All right. So back on that. This pair right here, US dollar versus Swiss franc, France. So I clearly see on the monthly, we always zoom out. This is the low. Last two confirmations here. So this is what we're looking like. So monthly is down structure, the current structure. Weekly, as you can see here, is up structure. This is where we at on the weekly. I can get rid of this. And then daily, where we at on the daily? We're not high. We broke structure because this is a candle. Yet we broke structure and we come crumbling down. So I have that face there because that's a trade that I really wasn't supposed to take, and we ended up losing it. That's what we got. On the daily is down structure. Weekly's up structure. Monthly's down structure. Up structure. Down structure. I mean, well, a down structure on month. Weekly up structure. Daily down structure. And 4 hour. 4 hour. We're just waiting for right now. Currently on the 4 hour. That's what we at on the 4 hour. We are down structure. So we matching the daily. And then again, we have that mismatch going on in these pairs. So I'm just waiting for a break of structure at this point. But this is another pair that like you don't want to do anything really on for this week so far. NZD is thought to be similar to AUD USD. Let's see here. I don't know. Change the colors right here so you guys can mix. So we got up structure, right? And if you zoom out here, you zoom all the way out. We had this high, this low, and then we had this low right here, and then we broke structure, and now we're at up structure on the monthly, weekly, from this low. From this low, we broke structure there, broke structure back down, and looks like if I can read through the bullshit here, we had this high. All right, so we're still on the weekly down structure on the weekly. Daily daily is still down structure. I can see from here. This is the high 48. Yeah, we didn't break structure yet. It came close to breaking structure. Came close. But we're still down structure. So month up, week down, daily down, 4 hour is up. So another mismatch there, but that's what's going on. I didn't really get in this trade, just even though it did exactly what I wanted to do: break a structure, retest, and then pull and going into profit. It's in profit right now, but I didn't take this trade. All right, so I'll go over GBP USD last because this video is about the can out. Actually, let's go to this one. I want to cover because this is a nice trade right here that I'm currently in. And we just broke the 4 hour structure. And we're basically looking to go down. But no, it's out of time already. But yeah, that's just a gist of, going over the market view, how I see the market, and how I read the market structure, and giving me that bias on what direction I want to go into for the week. All right. So deuces.